we worked on that question. Does protein actually increase cancer risk? And so and for the biochemical point of view, I was really interested in what's going on inside the body and inside of cells and so forth.
Animal protein can kill you. This is what Dr. Campbell, an experienced researcher, believes. I know you're curious to know the reason. We're here to help you. In this video, we want to check what Dr. Campbell believes about animal proteins. Moreover, we discover the differences between animal and plant-based proteins. Join our exciting journey and watch the video till the end. Dr. Colin Campbell is a well-known biochemist and nutritionist. He has worked on human health and has conducted many researches about the impact of different nutrients on overall health for 60 years. He also has conducted many researches about the relationship between diet and diseases, particularly cancer. He's the author of several books, but the most popular one is The China Study, which has significantly influenced people of the benefits of a plant-based diet. Dr. Campbell had repeated a sentence many times: don't eat animal proteins. What is the reason? Why should we avoid eating animal proteins? To answer these questions, we have to check some differences between animal and plant-based protein first. Number 1, amino acid profile. Animal protein has all 9 amino acids, which cannot be produced in the human body. So this type of protein is counted as a complete one. On the other hand, plant proteins are often incomplete, which means they lack one or more essential amino acids. And you have to use different types of plant proteins to have a complete diet. Number 2, digestibility and absorption. Animal proteins have higher digestibility and are more efficiently absorbed by the body. They are about 90% absorbable. However, it decreases to 60% for plant-based proteins, and that's because of the presence of fiber and other compounds that interfere with protein absorption. Number 3, nutrient content. Animal proteins are rich in vitamin B12, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids, and cholesterol, while plant proteins provide fiber, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. They are also lower in saturated fats and free from cholesterol. The next point is the real difference. Before checking it, like our video. This is a big support for us, and it motivates us to create more videos related to human health and diet. Number 4, health impacts. Consumption of animal proteins increases the risks of heart disease, cancer, and other issues due to high saturated fats and cholesterol content. However, plant proteins are not associated with these problems. High fiber content found in plant proteins is responsible for weight management. Now we have a clear idea of animal and plant proteins. The mentioned differences help you to understand the rest of the video better. Now let's check why Dr. Campbell believes animal proteins are like poison for our lives. Number 1, cancer promotion. Dr. Campbell's research shows that animal proteins, especially casein, can promote cancer growth. His experiments showed that rats fed with high levels of casein developed more cancerous tumors compared to those on a low casein diet. The reason behind this fact is IGF-1 hormone. Consumption of animal proteins increases the levels of IGF-1 hormone. This hormone promotes cell growth, and elevated levels of this hormone can make problems in cell cycle and increase cancer developments. Number 2, heart disease. As we mentioned earlier, animal proteins, particularly from red and processed meats, are high in saturated fats and cholesterol. These substances can lead to the buildup of plaque in the arteries, known as atherosclerosis, which restricts blood flow and can result in heart attacks and strokes. This type of protein increases inflammation, which can disrupt normal heart function and create a cycle that exacerbates cardiovascular risk. Number 3, disturbing acid-base balance and bone health. Animal protein consumption can lead to an acidifying effect in the body. When animal protein is metabolized, it produces sulfuric acid, which can disrupt the body's acid-base balance. In order to overcome this acidity, our body needs calcium, and this calcium has to be drawn from bones. This process decreases the amount of calcium found in bones and finally leads to skeletal issues. Campbell thinks this process highlights the importance of dietary choices in maintaining bone health, and he suggests plant-based proteins, which are generally more alkaline and preserve bone density and reduce the risk of fractures. Number 4, diabetes. Animal proteins can influence the secretion of hormones such as insulin and glucagon, which regulate blood sugar levels. An imbalance in these hormones can lead to poor glucose control. Moreover, animal proteins, because of high amounts of saturated fats, can promote insulin resistance. This means that cells become less responsive to insulin and cannot use the glucose. All of these points can be the main cause of type 2 diabetes. Number 5. Autoimmune diseases. Some animal proteins have structures similar to human proteins. When the immune system targets these foreign proteins, it can mistakenly attack the body's own tissues and lead to autoimmune reactions. Rheumatoid arthritis and multiple sclerosis are 2 diseases caused by these attacks. We have checked 5 about Dr. Campbell's researches. Now, we understand why he insists on not consuming animal proteins. By adopting a plant-based diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, people can improve their overall health. What do you think? Do you agree with Dr. Campbell, or you need more evidence to believe him? Tell us in the comments. This is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. If you like the video content related to overall health, subscribe to our channel, Diet Elixir, and enjoy watching lots of videos like this. Wait for other videos and turn on the notification. See you later.